Introducing the Tracki GPS Tracker, a compact, reliable solution for tracking vehicles and more. Powered by USA-made technology, this 4G LTE device offers real-time tracking with unlimited range across the US and worldwide. Its small, portable design makes it easy to conceal, and the strong magnetic attachment ensures it stays secure. Whether you're monitoring your car, assets, or even loved ones, Tracki provides peace of mind wherever you go. Please note that a subscription is required for Track. Introducing the Tile Slim 1 Pack, a thin and powerful Bluetooth tracker designed to help you keep track of your essentials. Perfect for slipping into your wallet, attaching to luggage tags, or securing to any valuable item, this tracker ensures you'll never lose your important belongings again. With a range of up to 250 feet, the Tile Slim connects seamlessly to your iOS or Android device, allowing you to quickly locate your items through the Tile app. It's also water-resistant, making it durable. Introducing the FYY Travel Cable Organizer Pouch, the ultimate solution for keeping your electronic accessories neatly organized and protected while on the go. This portable, waterproof storage bag features double layers, providing ample space to securely store your cords, chargers, phones, earphones, and other essential gadgets. Its all-in-one design ensures that everything has its place, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. The sleek black exterior adds a touch of sophistication. Introducing the SUPERONE Retractable Car Charger 4-in-1, a versatile and efficient charging solution designed for all your on-the-go needs. This fast car phone charger features a 2.6 feet retractable cord, offering convenience and reducing clutter in your vehicle. Equipped with both USB-C and Apple charger adapters, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, including the latest iPhone models like the iPhone 15, 15 Pro Max, 14, 13, 12, and 11, as well as Android devices like Samsung Galaxy and Go. Introducing the Lamicall Fits MagSafe Car Mount, a powerful and convenient magnetic phone holder designed to keep your iPhone secure while driving. Featuring 20 super magnets, this mount ensures a strong and reliable connection with your iPhone 15, 14, 13 Pro, Plus, Max, Mini, or any MagSafe compatible case. The air vent clip design allows for easy installation and keeps your phone within easy reach for hands-free use. Ideal for navigating, making calls, or enjoying music, this car mount provides